Welcome to Sweet Talk SLP. I'm Krystle and I'm a pediatric speech language pathologist. Today's video is another unboxing, but before we get started, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe, also like this video and share with your friends. Let's get started. Today is another Speech Treat Co. unboxing video. This is one of my favorite videos to film. Unboxings in general, but especially the Speech Treat Co. unboxings. This is part of her subscription. If you're unfamiliar with it, I'll go over it briefly before we get into the unboxing. Speech Treat Co. offers many objects in a subscription bundle that is mailed out every other month. Included in these bundles is a collection of mini objects. It varies in number depending on the unit. It also comes with boom cards and a set of printables to use alongside these minis. Also included in the box is usually some flashcards. There's always a bonus, and then shipping is included in the price. The price for the subscription box is $44.99. This is a Dinosaur unit, so we're going to open it together. I'll add close-ups of the minis, and yeah, let's just get into it. So right on top of the box, I'll show you what it looks like right here. There is this nice little greenery included. There's always a postcard thanking you for the purchase and for being a subscriber. Always a warning label because these items are small. You shouldn't use it for some of your little itty bitties. All of the minis always come in a canvas bag. And so that's here. Let's see if we can do it without taking out any of the crinkle paper, which is always included as well. So here's the canvas bag. You can see that it's printed what the unit is. So dinosaurs with a little image here. The extra in here looks like a wind-up dinosaur. So this looks pretty cute. And then there are some sticky little dinosaurs. Oftentimes there's mini erasers, which I prefer, but these are cute too. So there's a few of these little, sticky foam stickers along with the fluff that's always in here. And let's open this bag and see what the minis are. And like I said, I will add the best close-ups that I can onto the screen for you. So the bag of minis, there are a couple of like little Easter eggs in here. So 2 white eggs. There's a little mini backpack. That is the cutest little thing here. And then the picture cards. So let's go over these picture cards really quickly and talk about them before we get into the minis. I always add these into my binder, which I will show you really quickly. So let's see, we have dinosaur verbs. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dinosaur verbs. These are not double-sided, so just the single side. We have dinosaur pronouns. So there's 5, also not double-sided. I find that a lot of her cards tend to be, but these are not. Dinosaur vocabulary. These are double-sided because this one already has one in the back. 11 cards, so 22, 23 with the one on the back of this one as far as images go. So these will go in my dinosaur binder. I make a binder for all of my mini units for the few that I have. I have not printed them out. Usually I have it already prepped, but I'm on a budget right now. So I like to get mine printed at the office store because their printer paper is better. I just think the quality looks better. And so because I plan to keep these for a very long time, I do spend the extra money to get them professionally printed out and put them in clear cover sheets. And then I keep my baseball card sheets here, and then I will slip in all of my cards over here so that they all stay together. So I will do that later. I did print out the first page with my printer just to show. Okay, so let's talk about the minis that come with this unit. Okay, and perfect timing, my AC has turned on. So let's go over the minis that are in front of me. I usually take them out one by one, but I figured there'd be quite a collection of dinosaurs, which there are. So I kind of put them in order so we can talk about them in like little baby units. So for dinosaurs, there are 3 of these larger dinosaurs here. So Triceratops, Stegosaurus, Brontosaurus. Gotta get better with these dinosaur names. And then there are these 4 mini dinosaur objects. So I have a green one, a pink one, a like yellowy colored one, and then a brown one. Also included as far as animals go is this little crocodile or alligator. So another little mini there. There's also some greenery. There are 2 different types of leaves and then this like little palm tree stack. So there is that. There are 3 fossilized rock pieces, which I think is pretty neat. It also comes with like a little brush, so to mimic cleaning off the fossils as you're going through and, you know, finding fossils, I guess. There's also this skull, and I'm guessing it's supposed to mimic a dinosaur skull, but who knows? But, you know, this little skull in here too, which you can also use the brush for that. There's a mini magnifying glass. There are some binoculars. There is a hammer, a plastic hammer, which these are not my favorite mini material objects, but, you know, I'm sure it's hard to find all of these mini objects to put them together. Also a little plastic camera. I actually don't mind this one being the little plastic material. I think that one works out really well. There is a volcano. There are 3 bones, 2 smaller bones, and then 1 longer one, a larger rock. 2 gemstones, a blue and clear one is what I have. I don't know if those vary. There's this little spotted egg. It's like a styrofoam material, so I'm quite afraid that this one will mess up, but hopefully it won't. Oh my, I missed one of the mini dinosaurs, so let's take this out. It got stuck in there. It's a little pterodactyl, so we'll add that into the little mini stack of dinosaurs. And then last we have this plastic Jeep, so beep beep. Let's see, I always like to count the mini objects just so you know how many are in here. Now this subscription has already passed, but she does re-release them from time to time, usually a year or 2 later. So if this is a unit that you like, something to keep in mind for future releases. So it seems like there's 30 minis, and that includes like the Jeep and, you know, all the little trinkets that are in here. In this mini bundle. I'm not counting the little backpack and the eggs. Anything that came outside of the initial bag, I'm not counting. So 30 pieces in this unit. Very fun unit. Her next unit will be coming out on September 15th, I believe. It's Community Helpers. The great thing about her subscription is that once you are subscribed, you have the choice. 1, you can always cancel. 2, you can skip a shipment, or you can pause shipments and restart it whenever you're ready. I have skipped shipments before, and I do plan to skip, or I have already skipped the community helper one that will be coming up. But if this is something that you are interested in, definitely go to her Instagram page for more information and keep a lookout, because new subscribers can join, I believe, again on the 15th of September. So something to look forward to. I try not to buy all the subscriptions. I work out of my car, so it's just not smart for me to buy them all. And also budget wise, I shouldn't spend all that money. And some of these units just don't work for me. I try to get units that I feel can work through a span of ages. Community helpers to me seems to be more school-based, and I'm not a school-based SLP. So if you're a school-based SLP, that may be one that you are very interested in. I really enjoy this dinosaur theme. I also have the food unit. I have the ocean unit, and then I got the weather unit. The weather unit is my one outlier that doesn't go with any of these other, like, you know, that I try to keep it within a range for all of my kids to use, but I love weather, so I bought that one for me, and I haven't even used the unit. See, that's what happens. I buy the unit for me, and I don't even use it in therapy. But keep a lookout for these subscriptions. They're really great subscriptions. I do recommend them. This dinosaur one I am loving so far. I don't know what the printables look like yet, but I'm sure they'll be incredible, because they always are. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I really do hope that you'll consider subscribing, like it, share it with your friends, ring that notification bell. You'll be notified of my weekly uploads. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one.